Welcome back to our channel. You want to check the oil in your GMC or Colorado? Well, I'm here going to show you the steps of doing that. I know this might seem silly to some, but it's not silly for others. So for those that are looking for this information, give this video a thumbs up on your way in and let's go through the process. Lifting the hood. Where do I go? Oh, right here. Straight up from the M. You go in and come down like this and push to the right and it releases it. Okay, we got the hood opened up. We look in here, and does that ever look intimidating? All this stuff in here. Where do we find the dipstick? Well, here's where you fill the oil. Let's look on the right side, operator's right side, driver's right side, and look down in here, a yellow dipstick. Get yourself a towel, washcloth, rag, something to catch the oil when you pull this out. Basically, you will want to clean off the end of the dipstick. See what you're looking at. Hashed edges, that's where you want the oil fill to be, between there, and that's a safe operating level for the oil. If it gets below that, down on the end, that means you're too low. If you're above here, that means you're too full. The happy sweet spot would be right in the middle. But typically, as a rule of thumb, between these two marks is right around a quart of oil. But the sweet spot's right in the middle. So we got that cleaned off. And we will stick this back down in here. Pushing it all the way. Hold it for a second or two. And pull it back out. So this is what it looks like. It's actually right in the middle. See the yellow, the oil? That's where you want it to be. So that's how you check it. Check the oil level. Well, thanks for watching. That was easy, wasn't it? I told you it's going to be easy. So click on the video here at the end of the screen here, down at the bottom left-hand corner, and that'll take you to the next video to show you how to change the oil from start to finish. So give this video a thumbs up if you saw it helpful, and we will see you the next time.